Parent survival mode. Let's do this. So this Sunday meal prep, everything was a little bit behind because of Thanksgiving, but I had Walmart delivered because I didn't feel like getting out in the rain. So I've got everything ready. I'm going to get together Ashton's breakfast, which includes cottage cheese, my favorite thing ever, and egg white. So it's a major dose of protein in the morning, and I'm basically stabbing the eggs, drinking coffee, and I already have a great playlist on. So it was a really mellow, chill Sunday, and just getting her ready. A lot of the focus on this meal prep was on Ashton because national season, they just had a playoff game this past weekend, and they're getting into national season, and a big focus, is just making sure that she is fueled the way that her body needs to be. She's going to be extremely busy. They have a lot of workouts. They have a lot of practices. They have just a lot going on, and I want to make sure that she is good to go. She feels great. So I'm portioning the egg and cottage cheese out into those containers because I know that is what she's going to need. Now, she's also going to have a half of a whole grain bagel with that, but she has that at her apartment. So I just needed to get her protein lined up and get that together. Now, Bo has breakfast coming too, and you'll see that in a moment. Oh, there it is. And so he wanted eggs, but he wanted bacon in his, and he, of course, wanted fake cheese on it. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just make you happy and give you fake cheese on top of your eggs and bacon. But he has this, and he also has a yogurt that he is going to bring every morning. So if this makes this man happy, by all means. So moving on to Ashton's lunches, and I had a little combination of berries. So blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Some of them I had already on hand, and it was perfect because I didn't want them to go bad. So I was like, okay, cool. She's getting that, and she loves this lunch combination. So baby bell cheese is going in there. Boiled eggs is going in there. I could not find my everything bagel seasoning, so I know that she has some at her apartment. So she's just going to sprinkle some everything bagel seasoning on there. And y'all, this looks so fast, but these peppers took me forever because I just was taking my sweet, precious time. At this point, I'm pretty sure that I was in the middle of an audiobook, and I was just like, whatever. So I'm filling up her lunchbox with that she will add the everything bagel seasoning as well on top of those peppers. This is summer sausage that I'm just sprinkling in there for some extra protein. Oh, there I am looking for the bagels. Bagel seasoning, I can't find it. She also is going to get about 10 pretzel crisps per thing, and there's her finished thing. Her finished lunches. Y'all, she loves these. And then I like to put little like inspirational things. So just telling her that I'm proud of her, I love her, keep going, things like that. So that every day she gets this out and she has lunch, she'll see that. Now I'm moving on to her dinners. I had all this in the freezer. I had 3 skinless salmon, and then I had 2 with skin on because apparently for that order, the store didn't have the skinless, and I hate the skin. I hate it. But I'm going to get that skin off for her. I know you can eat it and you can make it crispy and all the fun things, but I'm just not feeling it. She also loves the jasmine rice with asparagus, so I'm filling up her dinner plates with the asparagus, 2 packs of the Marketplace Walmart asparagus. It steams really well in the bag in the microwave. And I'm adding Better Goods. This is a basil parmesan, some kind of butter, but it's really good. So I added that to each little section there so that when she heats it up and it melts, it's going to be really great. And garlic salt goes on top of that because garlic salt on veggies is always a great thing. I'm now portioning out the jasmine rice, and then she's also going to have brown rice and quinoa. I had gotten these rice cups. They were on rollback a couple weeks ago, and I just was waiting because I knew national season was coming. So I had already like gotten that ready. Here, I'm like, oh, please stop sticking. I'm waiting until it just kind of separates from the pan. And that is her finished dinners. Oh my gosh. I sent her the video and she's so excited. And this is her favorite thing to eat for dinner. So I'm like, okay, kid, well, you do you. And of course, I did I labeled that they were dinner, and gave her some inspirational quotes and things to make her giggle and things like that. And this is the gumbo that Bo and I will have tonight and probably tomorrow night. Clocking out.